Number 19. What is the product? That means multiply of the polynomials negative 3x squared plus 5 and x to the third plus 3x squared minus x minus 7. So they are wanting me to multiply negative 3x squared plus 5, that binomial, times this quadrinomial. And we're going to use distribution to do that. All right, so I'm going to distribute. Let me do it this way. I'm going to take this negative 3x squared and I'm going to multiply it right down the line here. So that negative 3x squared has to go to each of those terms. And I think I can do better with arrows. Let me use a different color for this one. So I'm going to take that negative 3x times that one, and that's going to be negative 3x to the 5th power. Then that term times this one. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9x to the 4th. Then that one times that one would be positive 3x to the third. And finally, on this one, we have a positive 21x squared. And I did this one beforehand, so let me just be sure that I've got what I need here. Yes. Because I get lost in these very easily, and I didn't want to have to make the video several times. All right, now I'm going to take the positive 5 and do the same thing. I'm going to take it to all of these terms and see what I come up with. So 5 times x to the third, that's positive 5x to the third. 5 times 3 is 15. X to the second. 5 times negative x is negative 5x. And then positive 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. And then I need to combine like terms. Let me check that before I do it. I did not want to make this video twice. Okay. So I see this is a x to the third term, and there's 1. So those can definitely get combined. And then I also see some squareds. I have the positive 21 squared and the positive 15 squared, x squared. So we are ready to write our final answer. We have negative, no idea what, that's negative 3x to the 5th, negative 9x to the 4th. Then I have those two terms in blue that need to get combined. That's positive 8x to the third. The two yellow terms get combined. That's positive 36x to the second minus 5x minus 35. And if I've done this correctly, I have, awesome, that will be answer D, as in delta. This one is simply multiplying polynomials, but there's nothing simple about it. You have to be very, very careful that you don't lose signs or lose terms, and I'm not good at those. But this is your final answer, and it matches D, as in delta.